Oh, brake, it stalled. It was way easier than I thought it was. I thought I was gonna have to take the whole caliper off and change them, but I just had to take the pins out and the pad slid out. Let's get it. Workstation a mess. Time to go to the other side. Let's get it. Just like that, guys, we back. YouTube, we back with another one, man. We doing some brake work on the Cadillac ATS. I know we haven't dropped a lot of videos here lately. That's because I just been busy, been working, family time, just really work, man. I haven't been having spare parts for the old school Cadillac Seville, so that's been on hold. But we are gonna get some tires for it, so my tire don't keep going flat. And we finna try to self-bleed our brakes again. So this video is just a little short time lapse of me changing my brake pads on my Cadillac ATS. I got another video when I was changing my rear brake pads, but this time I changed my front Brembo brake pads because I had to order a special punch tool just to get the brake pads out, and it was my first time doing it. But once I got that tool, everything worked out, man. So stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe. That's gonna make me drop more videos, man. We a Cadillac connoisseur, a car connoisseur, a customization connoisseur. We like to do everything on this channel, so stay tuned and get back with us, man. Yeah.